Hi guys, my name's Alicia. I'm going to Disney World tomorrow, so I decided to do a pack with me video. Everything's just kind of over the place right now, but I'll show you some of the cool things that I found or that I'm bringing. I definitely overpacked, but you know, what can you do? I have two suitcases, and then I also am bringing a little goodie bag for my friends. So once I get that out of my suitcase and give it to them when we get there, it should loosen up some room and it won't look like so much stuff. I know I have a lot of snacks, but I like to eat, so I like to bring some to the room because last year I didn't really like walking from my room back to the hotel because we stayed pretty far from the lobby, so it was good just to have some snacks in the room and not to have to walk back all the way over there if I didn't really want to. So that's why I have all the snacks. But we'll get started. I did get some linen pairs of shorts just because the last year when I went to Disney World, those were the most comfortable, and my legs were up together, so these are the most comfortable and doesn't make me have redness or anything in between my thighs. So that's why I like to get these. I also got like a dress for the evening. This came from Forever 21. And it was actually on sale. It was only $3, so it's pretty good. And then I pair it with some white sandals. I put a couple of my bra and panties in there. I got these vacuum cubes. They were pretty cheap. They're from Sharper Image, but I also got those at Marshall's. But I got last year I got a pair from Amazon. I can put a link below so you can see them. They also have some compression ones online, so I think I'm going to try those out next time. Or if you have tried them, let me know what you think. So I'll pack at the end. We'll move on to what else I have. So it's my little knick-knack bag. So I'm going to put my chargers. Also have some hair bows in here. It was cute. It was at that front section, so it's like $1, $3, and $5. So these are about $5. I brought my makeup brushes. I have my toiletry bag. So this one is a great invention. It came from Amazon. So I already packed it up, but that's what it looks like. It has a lot of space in here, and it has slots inside. And then the side opens up, so you can put your toothpaste, toothbrush in there. So you have a lot of storage in here. And I can put the link below as well, but it's helped me not be able to have a big bag of toiletries. I just brought these. I got these from Dollar Tree, just so I can stay hydrated in the parks. And these shorts, I'll show you a few of them. I got these from Old Navy. So these are on sale. They're probably about $12. And I also got me an orange pair. And then I just put some tank tops that I got from Walmart with them. Nothing too fancy, but I got a floor pair. We're going to be there from Wednesday to Tuesday, so I'll just wear these. Also got these socks also at the front of the Target basket. So that's some pretty good deals, so now I won't run out of socks. Got some hot Cheetos. I got these from the dollar store. From Dollar Tree. I like those a lot better. So if you like hot Cheetos but you want more of the cheesy taste, if you go to Dollar Tree, they have those, and I really like those. They give it a different flavor. With the snacks, I got these from Dollar Tree. So these are cute little cups. They're actually only 25 cents. So everybody's going to get a cup. And I'm going to fill them with these candies. So I will probably get to the room first. So the first night, tomorrow, we're staying at All Star Sports Resort. The first day is just to get there, relax. I'm thinking about going to a couple resorts, just to resort hop while I wait on them to get there. And then the next day, we'll actually start at the park. So I'm going to set this up and surprise them with it. So I'm excited to see what they think about it. I'm going to do an autograph book this time, so I have different colored Sharpies. I also have some Moleskine keeping my feet without blisters is the most important thing. Last year, by the end of the trip, I couldn't even tie my shoe up. I had blisters on a blister, so I'll make sure I'm being prepared. I got I already have one that I brought last year when I went to Disney, but also for my friends, I got them some cooling towels. So these were $5, but you can get them off of Amazon. You can get them at Target. You can get them at Walmart. One thing that I forgot is, like, I'm doing mousekeeping this year, so I'm giving a tip, and then the cards say thank you on the outside. And on the inside, based on what sticker I have, what princess, then I put Disney quotes from that movie or from that princess on there. So I'm excited to do that this year. And then I also got gift cards. So just with the different paychecks, I bought gift cards so that way I can know my budget and have a budget already and go there for souvenirs or whatever. We had the Stay Play and Dine package, so we'll be on the dining plan, but just for any souvenirs that I want or any other snacks that's outside of the dining plan or anything else that I might want to get at Disney. I have it in those gift cards, so that'll just be my free spending money. So let's see if we can put all this stuff up or if I just got too much stuff. So you see I have a little bit of struggle because I got a lot of stuff, but that's okay. I just put these around my suitcases so I can recognize them, even though I know they're mine, but I can recognize them right away. So these are on Amazon too. I got my luggage tag for All Star Sports, and then my cute little, my luggage tag for All Star Sport, and then my cute little thing, so we're all ready.